Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Asterix Solutions. So this video, what we are going to do here is try write an Hibernate API to get all the employee who joined after 260101 and work in HR department using Hibernate Criteria Query Language. So let's begin. Based on the previous application, what I'm going to do now, again write a new Java class and I'm going to name it as criteria listing. Yeah, just any name, and public static void main string array args, and you can just go by the try catch block. And yeah, so let's begin. Configuration cfg is equal to new configuration and cfg dot configure. So this is done. Again, like I'll like to repeat, if you guys are joining on with this video onwards, please watch the series of 8.0 and 8.1. We'll understand how this whole stuff works properly, how configuration work, how session factory is being created. So session factory is basically the factory model which we need for generating session. So session factory sf is equal to cfg dot build session factory, and session s is equal to sf dot open session. And after the session is open, okay, now I have to import this session. And now we are going to go for criteria. Now criteria, like again as I discussed in query, is will be shifted to org.hibernate.criteria.criteria, where it has been advanced up. But for this version we are going to just go by this criteria. So create criteria, and we want to create criteria of employee, so I need to pass up employee.class. So as simple as that, criteria is created. But as per the requirement, I need to find out those employees who have joined us after, let's say 2016. So I'll just make some changes that will take it from HR department. Instead of HR, let me take it from finance. I have one from finance department, and his designation, he have joined also after 2014. So c dot add, and I can add a restriction here now. So restrictions dot eq means equal, and I want the property of department, and I want the value of department to be finance. Same way, I want to add one more restriction on it, that is restrictions dot greater than. So I want someone who joined after, let's say 2014. I am putting up, I know I am changing the condition, but still this is something you can change by yourself. So I have put up two conditions, and now okay, it cannot be only for one value. I have to also say which column I want to check it from. So list java.util and employee list is equal to c dot list for employee e colon list system.out.println e. So I write a simple code. I'll just put up e.print stack trace, so that in case if any issue arise, I should be able to tackle it. Save it, right click, you can do now run as. So when you do run as to start working and see now what it does. So it only found one with finance department and whose date of joining was greater than 2014. We also had one more. So if I would have just put off this criteria part here, if I comment this, now let's see what is the output. So it will only check for those who have joined after 2014. Now you can see there are two people, but as I also applied the department of finance, it gave me back only the one value. You can find this code on the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Do share it with